Hi guys, how's it going? In this tutorial, we will learn how to build the Voronoi facade. And also we will learn some new batteries. The first one is Popular 3D, the second one is Voronoi 3D, and the last one is Deconstruct Brave. Cool, let's see how to do this model. Let me add my Grasshopper chain. You can download it from our materials. Okay, the first step is I'm going to use this one, Popular 3D. You can find it from the vectors and this one, Popular 3D. And also I need to draw a region. So I use a box and right click, select a box. You can input 0 and I use 5 time maybe. Okay, let me do it again. Select one box, 0 and 50 times 50 times 50. And you can input your numbers here, maybe 85, 86 to be the points count. And give it a number to be the seed. You can see when you drag this slider, the seed, all of the points in the box, they are changing, right? Cool. And then we use this one, Voronoi 3D. Connect them together, and we can create a lot of Voronoi box. Back it out. Go to the shaded mode. And I can add the rest of the volumes. Use this one. Cool. And the next step is I'm going to explode this volume. Use this one in Rhino. But in Grasshopper, we use Deconstruct Brave. Here can we find it. Go to the surface and Deconstruct Brave. Connect them together. Go to the perspective view. Here. Cool. Now all of my volumes already have been exploded into the surface. I'm going to extract my curves. And the next step is scale this down. And you can see in Rhino, we normally find the centroid point of the surface first. So I use this one, area centroid. And then we can use scale 2D. This one, copy yes, and maybe 0.9. Press enter. Now I have two surfaces here, and I duplicated edges. This one, and join them together. And the next one is this one. Use the same comment here. Duplicate edges. Cool. Now I need to add all of the surface. And then I create the surface. So let's see how to do it in Grasshopper. Now we have the surface, and then we need to find the centroid point of the surface. So we use area. We have used it a lot of times in the previous tutorials. Okay, now I have my centroid point here, and go to the transform. Here is the scale battery. Geometry is this one, and the centroid point is here. Here is the center. And you can input a number. The default setting is 0.5. Maybe I use 0.8. You can see there are many centroid points, right? You can see many centric points here. And then the next step is extract the wireframes. So I use break wireframe. Go to the surface and here. Connect them together. This is a scale down one, and we need to find the origin wireframe with this one. Now we have two of them, and I can add the previous steps. I need to join all of the lines together, so I go to the curve and use join curves, copy and paste, join curves. And then I can use the fillet edges, this one. In Rhino, we usually do it like this. Fillet edge, maybe 0.5, and you can see this will be like this. And then we create the surface. So I'm gonna repeat the same number here, 0.5 to be the radius. Connect them together. And you can see all of the corners here already changed to the rounded corners. And then I use boundary surface. Hold the shape command when you do it. We create all of the surface. And the last step is we are using the display battery, this one, customer preview. Connect them together. Actually, we need to use flighten battery before connect them together. So we go to the size and using flighten trace, connect them together. And then use this color, change precise like this. And then we're going to use this one, range. Give it a number, maybe 300. So we can cut it like 300 pieces. Change it. And add this. Add the surface, this one. Cool guys, do it by yourselves. In this tutorial, we learned how to use Popular 3D, Voronoi 3D, and how to use break wireframes. Thank you for watching.